My name is Brittany Artigliano. I'm 21 years old. I'm a selected studies and education major at Syracuse University, and I'm a senior here, and I'm from Long Island. It's not every day that you hear about, your best friend starting a business, and that's something that I'm doing and I'm trying to do, and I think knowing that you're a part of helping someone's business grow, I think is a really great feeling. And then also incorporating these type of bracelets on your wrist and then saying, oh, it was from this girl that started her own business at Syracuse is, something really rare that not a lot of, college students can say. I think carrying something with a little bit of luck can really improve someone's day. And I really feel like my stones themselves kind of speak for themselves, and they kind of shine on their own way, and knowing that you're wearing something that's real and that was from a different part of the world is a really incredible feeling that just lies on your little wrist or lies on, the end of your neck down to your torso. It's just a great feeling knowing that. When I invested all my savings into this business, and through that, I was able to eventually pay myself back, but I've been donating most of my profit, which is 15%, to St. Jude. And my jewelry are all semi-precious stones. So I kind of invest in having great quality bracelets. And then I was in the city one day with my sister and my mom, and we were just walking around until my sister was like, you could probably just make this yourself. And I was like, no, I can't do that. This is why it's so expensive. I can't do something like that, until I kind of did more research and I kind of figured that I can actually do it. Finding the right stones and where to get them, and making sure that they're 100% real and not dyed or anything like that, and doing research like that, it kind of unfolded into me starting my own business, and it kind of took off from there.